Good morning, children. Today we will be doing your chapter number 6 from your grammar book. The name of the chapter is Negative Sentences. So, already we have learnt about kinds of sentences in earlier chapters, and there were many kinds of sentences like exclamatory, imperative, interrogative, and affirmative. So basically we can change the any normal sentence into a negative sentence also. So आज हम नेगेटिव सेंटेंस के बारे में जानेंगे बिकॉज नेगेटिव सेंटेंस क्या होते हैं. बेसिकली कोई भी ऐसा सेंटेंस जिसको हम वी कैन चेंज ऑल्सो वी कैन चेंज अ नॉर्मल सेंटेंस ऑल्सो इनटू अ नेगेटिव जहाँ पर भी नो और नॉट आ रहा होता है. when we use not and no जहाँ पर भी नहीं वर्ड का यूज़ होता है then it becomes a negative sentence. and if we say कि वी शुड ब्रश आवर टीथ डेली. सो हमें डेली ब्रश करना चाहिए. वी शुड नॉट ब्रश आवर टीथ डेली. हमें डेली ब्रश नहीं करना चाहिए. सो वी यूज नॉट. हमने उसी सेंटेंस को नॉट यूज़ करके अगर हमने वी हैव फ्रेम द सेंटेंस देन इट विल बी अ turned into a negative sentence. So this is very easy chapter and we have to just understand how we can just change normal sentences also into a negative sentence. How can we frame them? So this now you will be learning to frame negative sentences in this unit. So how you will be framing, we'll just read these sentences. So just see and just listen to me when I am stressing upon the underlined words. I am not interested in the western music. So I am not interested in western music. So the next is they are not ready for test. Children were not going to the fair. Sania was not hungry. We shall not buy diesel car. You cannot skate well. We should not tell lies. It may not rain today. So not was used everywhere and because of that these are all negative sentence. And you can see not was always used with after a helping verb. So not is always used after a helping verb to make a negative sentence. Shall not, can not, should not, may not. So these are all may, should, can, shall, was. These are helping verbs. So इसके बाद अगर हम not use करते हैं तो ये sentence negative sentence हो जाता है. So here it is written the sentences that have not or no in them are called negative sentence. This is the definition. हमें पता चलता है कौन से sentence होते हैं negative जिनके अंदर not या no की बात होती है. We put not after the helping verb to make the sentences negative. So हम ये जो not है वो helping verb के तुरंत बाद लगाते हैं so that sentence negative बन जाए. Make these sentences negative. The next thing is we have to just make the sentence negative. I'll just explain you few examples so that you can use your creativity, your mind in framing these sentences so that it will be an exercise for you. But don't worry, I have written all the answers in separate sheet and I'll be providing you all the answers. But before that you have to give it a try after reading the chapter because you have to do the work yourself also. So the first is Etika can draw portraits. So the answer will be when we want to change it into, so here can is a helping verb. So after can we have to use not. Etika cannot draw portraits. So it will now turn into a negative sentence. He is busy today. So he is busy. So is a helping verb. So he is not busy today. It was foggy yesterday. So was is again an helping verb. So we will use it was not foggy yesterday. So whenever we use not with helping verb, it can be written in a short form with apostrophe also. Like first sentence, Itika can't draw portraits. He isn't busy today. It wasn't foggy yesterday. So was and apostrophe and nt. So this is also one way to write because both of them are same things. So we'll do this exercise like that only. Like the last one, you are paying me enough money. So you are not paying me enough money. So this kind of we'll just make it in this way. Now the next is now compare these imperative sentences. And again I'll tell you in the previous chapters we have learned that what are imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are those sentences where there is an order, there is a request or a command. जब भी हम किसी चीज़ को order देते हैं, command है या request है, वो imperative है. अब यहाँ पर इन imperative sentence को हमने किस तरह से negative sentence में बदलना है. So come here is a normal imperative sentence, and when we use do not या don't come here, so it becomes a negative sentence. Write fast, so don't write fast. So in these imperative sentence, when we add don't in front of them, do not in front of them, then they become negative sentence. So here is the example. We can just learn this. Run in the corridor, don't run in the corridor. Make a noise, don't make a noise. Pluck these mangoes, don't pluck these mangoes. So now like this we are making normal imperative sentences, we are converting them into negative sentence. Now the second one, I'll just explain you 2 or 3 examples so that you can do it yourselves also. First is change these imperative sentence into negative. So basically they have given a normal imperative sentence and we have to change it into negative. So first is give food to animals in the zoo. So what we'll write? We'll write don't give food to animals in the zoo. So initially we are adding don't and we'll be making sentence like that, and it has now become negative sentence. Switch off the fan. So the next will be don't switch off the fan. Eat sweets daily, the next will be don't eat sweets daily. Like this you have to do these. Next one is read these sentences carefully, simple present and simple past. So here when we are changing it into negative sentence, we just have to look, हमें ये ध्यान देना है कि ये sentence present tense में था या past tense में था. जैसे कि first वाला है he works hard, वो नॉर्मल अभी प्रेजेंट टेंस चल रहा है कि वो मेहनत से काम करता है. सो हम जब उसको चेंज करते हैं तो वी यूज़ ही डज़ नॉट वर्क हार्ड बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट इन अ पास्ट टेंस. तो हमने यहाँ ही डज़ नॉट वर्क हार्ड ये बनाया. एंड जब हम यहाँ पर जैसे आई विल गिव यू वन एग्जांपल लाइक दे एट सुशी. सो दे एट सुशी मीन्स दे हैव ऑलरेडी ईटन अप, उन्होंने खा लिया. एंड दिस इज़ ऑल अगेन पास्ट टेंस. सो हम इसमें डिड यूज़ करेंगे. दे डिड नॉट ईट सुशी, वहाँ एट का हमने ईट कर दिया बिकॉज वी आर यूजिंग डिड विद दैट बिकॉज इट इज़ इन अ पास्ट फॉर्म. सो दे एट सुशी, सो वी विल राइट दे डिड नॉट ईट सुशी. ये याद रखना आपको, जहाँ पर उन्होंने पहले ही कोई काम कर लिया जो पहले से पास्ट टेंस हो गया उसमें हम डिड लगा के उसका फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज़ करते हैं. जैसे कि मंकीज डिस्टर्ब्ड द ट्रैवलर्स. सो मंकी डिस्टर्ब्ड कर रहे थे, ये पहले की बात है. सो मंकीज़ डिस्टर्ब्ड हो गया है, तो डिस्टर्ब्ड के बाद अगर हम इसको नेगेटिव बनाएंगे तो मंकीज़ डिड नॉट डिस्टर्ब द ट्रैवलर्स. सो हमने यहाँ पर इसका फॉर्म चेंज करना पड़ता है. सो दिस इज़ द वे वी विल बी डूइंग. सो नाउ चेंज दीज सेंटेंसेज इनटू नेगेटिव बाय एडिंग डू नॉट और डज नॉट और डिड नॉट. तो हमें किस तरह से फॉर्म यूज़ करना है. सो here I'll just explain you 2-3 and I'll tell you how to write it. Dr. Kalam belonged to a humble background. So Dr. Kalam belonged, so it is again in a past thing कि belong करते थे. So Dr. Kalam, जब हम belong बोलते तो we'll be writing, now we'll be using did because belonged था. So Dr. Kalam did not belong to a humble background. Now we have to change it into negative one. Then the second one is she keeps her things carefully. So when we change it, now she keeps her things carefully. It is a normal present. It is not in past. So we will write she does not keep her things carefully. ठीक है? We'll write like this. Now again it is children make a noise. So children make a noise. Children are making noise and they are not. Children made noise होता तो children did not make noise होता. But यहाँ पर children make noise, अभी शोर कर रहे हैं. So what we will write? Children do not make noise. Children don't make noise. So we will write like this. So now you have to do these things like that only. आपको ऐसे करके ही बताना है. Again I'll tell you the next example how you have to change. In the fourth exercise, choose the correct option and filling the blanks. So here you have to choose the correct option and you have to fill it. And all the difficulties whatever you are facing, if you are not able to understand, because since I can't make the video too long, so I'm explaining you few of the examples. Whatever you are not able to understand, you can ask me and I'll be providing you the notes for everything. सभी का मैं आंसर्स, सारे आंसर्स लिख के आपको दूंगी. बट फर्स्ट you have to try them with pencils and you have to write down in your workbook itself. So the first is she is very weak. she dash lift this box. So whatever is suitable, because she is very weak, so we'll write can't. She can't lift this box. Last night I dash sleep. So last night I did not sleep, because did again we use because last night पिछली रात है, so already वो past है, past tense है. So that's why we are not using don't, and we will write did not. So I didn't sleep. He always speaks the truth, but yesterday he dash tell us the whole incident. So he did not, because yesterday की बात है, कल की बात है, इसीलिए आपको ध्यान देना है, बिकॉज टू फॉर्म्स आर गिवन, एंड जिसको पता होगा कि पास्ट में यूज़ किया है, सो वो पहले ही डिड वाला वर्ड चुनेगा. देन नेक्स्ट इज डैश डिस्टर्ब मी. सो डोंट डिस्टर्ब मी. डिड नॉट यहाँ नहीं आएगा, बिकॉज इट इज़ अ नॉर्मल प्रेजेंट टेंस. This is a CNG car, it dash create that much problem. So it will be like it is in a present form, and it will be like it doesn't create that much pollution. This is a CNG car, it doesn't create that much problem. And next is look at the bright sky, it dash rain today. So look at the bright sky, it will not rain today, बिकॉज ये चीज़ अभी हुई नहीं है. सो वी आर जस्ट प्रेडिक्टिंग. अभी ये प्रेजेंट नहीं चल रहा है, ये फ्यूचर में हम क्या होना चाहिए, तो विल नॉट यूज़ करेंगे. सो लुक एट द ब्राइट स्काई, इट विल नॉट रेन टुडे. इट डू नॉट नहीं आएगा, इट विल नॉट, बिकॉज अभी वो चीज़ हुई नहीं है. सो ये फ्यूचर की बात हम करने वाले हैं, सो विल नॉट आएगा. यू डैश टॉक लाउडली इन अ लाइब्रेरी. यू शुड नॉट टॉक लाउडली इन अ लाइब्रेरी. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ द सन dash set in north. So the last sentence is the sun dash set in north. So what we will write? The sun does not set in the north. For the sun we will use the sun does not set in the north. Sun north में set नहीं होता. So like this we will be filling the blanks with. So we have to be very particular. If we are talking about future, we'll use will. If we are talking about past, we'll use did. And if we are talking about present tense, so we have to fill it accordingly. So I hope you understood this concept, and you try to do it yourself. I'll be providing you all the answers, and framing normal sentences into a negative one is very easy. Once again, I'll summarize that whenever we use no or not, and not is generally used after a helping verb, then a negative sentence is framed. I hope it is clear to you. For further queries and doubts, you can ask me tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.